Make the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. We have to make here a 4-digit number. The one is largest and the one is smallest. The condition is that we can use a digit twice. So, firstly, 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to make the 4-digit number, smallest number and the greatest number, I will mark 4 place. This is 1's period, 10's period, 100 period and 1000 period. In order to write the largest number, I will start the largest period with the largest digit. So, what is the largest period? That is 1000, and the largest digit, that is 6. So, I will start with 6, and here I will start with 2. For the smallest, I will start with 2, and the largest, I will start with 6. Now, it is also given that I can use a digit twice. So, I can use this 6 again, and here I can use this 2 again. Now, what are the other options? The other options here are 3 and 6. So, I will write 3 and then 6. And what are the other options here are left with? 2 and 3. So, I will write 3 and 2. So, in this way, we can make the smallest and the greatest number as per the given condition. So, you can observe this as per the given conditions. Now, here we have to make the smallest and the greatest number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to write the greatest number, I will have to use the largest digit. And in order to write the smallest number, I will have to write the smallest digit. And which is the smallest digit? That is 0. But I can't use 0 at the ending period. So, I will write here 1. Now, 6, I can use the digit twice. Therefore, I can write 6 here. And here, I can write 1 or 0. If I write 1, that will not serve our purpose. So, I will fill this with 0. Now, in order to make it more small, I can use 0 twice. As it is given that we can use 0 twice. So, now, what are the options left with? Here we have to fill the 6 and here we have to fill 1 and 0. So, in this way, we can find the smallest and the greatest number as per the given conditions. You can see. Now, question number 5. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with the conditions given below. Digit 6 is always at 1000 place. So, we have to make firstly 4-digit number. So, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1's place, 10's place, 100th place and 1000th place. So, the given condition is make the greatest and the smallest. So, I have to make the 2 numbers. The one is greatest and the one is smallest. Now, given that digit 6 is always at 1000th place. So, which is 1000th place? Here. And here 1000th place is 6. And now we have to make the greatest. In order to make the greatest digit, what we will have to fill all the other periods. make greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4. So you are free to choose any 4 digits. Okay. So digits with condition given below, and we have to make the greatest digit. And also it is given, there is no given condition for the repetition or non-repetition. So I will use 999. This is the greatest digit, will serve my purpose to make the greatest number. And in order to make the smallest number, then so I can make fill with 0, 0, 0. If the repetition is allowed, then the answer will be this. But in the case, if the repetition is not allowed, then the greatest number will be 6, 9, 8 and 7, and the smallest number will be 6, 0, 1 and 2. So you can write your answer as per the given condition and the understanding of the question. Now, digit 4 is always in 100 place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now digit 4 is always in 100 place. Where is 100 place? This. So I will fill with 4. I will fill with 4. This is the greatest and this is the smallest one. Now I have to make the greatest number, so I will start with 9, and after that 8 and then 7. And here I will start with 1, 0 and 2. Clear? I am following the condition of non-repetition of the digits. Digit 7 is always in tens place. So greatest digit, smallest digit. 7 is always in tens place. So I will write 7 here and I will write 7 here. And I will have to greatest. So 9, 8, 7 and here I will put 6 and here 1, 0 and here I will write 2. Digit 1 is at ones place. Digit 1 at one place. So now I have to make the greatest. So 9, 8, 7. And I will have to make the smallest one. So I will use 2, then 0, then 3. Okay. Now next question is, how many numbers are in all do we have with 4 digits or 6 digits? Now here, how many 4 digit numbers are there? The smallest 4 digit number is and the greatest 4 digit number is. In order to find their counting, we will subtract them. And the answer is +1. And this is the answer. So here are 9,000 4 digit numbers. there is a shortcut for this type of question. You can do it very easily. Here he is asking that how many 4-digit numbers are there. So if you write 30 and write 9, then it will be your direct answer. Similarly, I am not going to the explanation of this one. Now, 6-digit number. How many 6-digit numbers are there in total? So, the largest 6-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the smallest 6-digit number is their difference 8, and the total numbers 8 plus 1. So 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here should be 5 and 1, 0, 1. So the direct answer will be, how many digits he is asking? He is asking for the 6 digit. So you will write 50 and write 0. It will give you direct